Radar is a system that uses radio waves to detect objects and find their distance, direction, and sometimes speed. The word radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Radar uses radio waves because they travel at the speed of light, can cover long distances, and can reflect from solid objects, especially metals. This reflection makes detection possible. Radar works on the echo principle. First, the radar sends a short pulse of radio waves into space. The wave travels through the air and hits an object such as an aircraft, ship, or vehicle. The wave then reflects back toward the radar as an echo. The radar receives this reflected signal. Since the speed of radio waves is known and the time taken for the wave to go to the object and return is measured, the distance of the object can be calculated. The total time is divided by 2 because the wave travels to the object and back. Radar usually sends pulses instead of a continuous signal. Pulses allow the radar to stop transmitting and listen for the returning echo. This makes it possible to measure distance and to distinguish between objects located at different ranges. Shorter pulses provide better separation between nearby objects. The antenna plays a crucial role in radar operation. It focuses the radio waves into a narrow beam and sends them in a specific direction. By rotating or steering the antenna, the radar scans the surrounding area. The antenna also receives the reflected signals, which helps determine the direction of the object. Radar can measure the speed of an object using the Doppler effect. If the object is moving toward the radar, the frequency of the reflected wave increases. If the object is moving away, the frequency decreases. This change in frequency is used to calculate the speed of the object. There are different types of radar systems. Pulse radar sends short bursts of radio waves and measures distance using time delay. Continuous wave radar transmits a constant signal and is mainly used to measure speed but not distance. Doppler radar is used to measure speed and is commonly used in weather monitoring. Radar works in darkness, fog, clouds, and rain because it does not rely on visible light. Since it uses radio waves, it can operate day and night and in poor visibility conditions. This makes radar essential for aviation, marine navigation, weather forecasting, and military applications.